What's up, everyone? We're full. Butter, you know what? No. The answer is no. You can't say anything, Butter. You can. All right, cool. You can quote me in a golf video of yours. You can do that, but you know, you can quote me in one of your golf videos. Butter, that from you, that means everything. I got my good friend Duncan telling me that I need to move to Dallas, and not to Dallas. I need to move to San Antonio. I need to move and be his number one. You know what? Coming from you, Butter, I'll take that as a compliment. As crazy as you can be, I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you. Well, you know what? I need to keep pulling heat. This is one of those days, guys. I mean, it just is. It just is what it is. All right, I'm peaking. I am peaking. Yes, Steve, they're all 35 are going. Why not? I'm peaking here. I can't help it. I just can't help it. All right, now these guys are starting to fall out. Who has this team in here? Wow. Someone's going to be happy. Someone is going to be happy. You got it, Philip. What'd you pay? Jonathan Taylor for the Colts to 70. Van Jefferson out of Florida for the Rams to 25. $5.90 each. I got news for you, Philip. You know what? How many did you Philip? This is what you want to do, Philip. You can email me right now when you get those 4 boxes. I'm paying you $700 a box. There you go. You think I'm joking? Go ahead. You're going to make $100 a box, Philip. Enjoy. You got it. You send me the boxes, I'll pay you $700 per gift. Okay? There you go. You made money. People that listen are going to make money. I told you, when you secure those boxes, I'll pay you $700 a box. Okay? That's what I'll do, Philip. You don't have to fly to Vegas with your wife. Why am I paying you $700? Because they're going to be $1,000 in 2 days. No, you're not getting dinner. You're not getting dinner. I'm not giving you dinner as well. You can give me dinner. $700 per. 8 of 10, Deontay Johnson for the Steelers. Eight of 10. Troy, send the case. Go ahead. Send the case, Troy. Ship it out. I'll take it. 7,000 booked. Text me. Troy, text me. Go ahead. You got it. I'll pay you $700 a box. Go ahead. You guys think I'm joking when I say where this stuff's going to go. Troy, text me. We're done. 7,000. You got it. You're going to tell me you want to get rid of this at $700 a box? Jalen Hurts rookie auto to 49 for the Eagles. By the way, Ethan Silverman, don't go anywhere. Text me, Troy. We're booked. Of course they did, William. Of course. They know what it's going to be. Teddy Bridgewater for the Panthers to 25. CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys to 25. And then Troy, we'll just deduct whatever here. You know, whatever you owe, whatever. We can just deduct it if you want Chargers or whatever. But we could take it off. I owe you $7,000 right now, Troy. We have an auto. 1 of 3 of Mecole Hardman for the Chiefs out of Unparalleled. Duncan, this is the first bad product I've seen that they put in a buyback, Unparalleled. We have an auto. 2 of 2 of Goff for the Rams. John Carter. Last box. Sam Blatt, they were never redeemed. Lynn Bowden from the Dolphins. It's number to 25. Rookie. Joe Burrow to 70 for the Bengals. We have an auto, 1 of 3 of Rod Smith for the Broncos and Fishes. 1 of 3 of Rod Smith at a Majestic for Fishes. And we have another one. Ethan Silverman annihilated the break. Another Hurts. Now he's starting to come out. We didn't see any Hurts at all. Hurts to 35 for the Eagles. We have slowed down a little, I will admit. The boxes have cooled off a little, but